Today we're going to try to do the concrete, or set the blocks in the concrete. I hate these things, but you gotta wear them. When I was trying to mix the other day, I couldn't find one, so I got these new ones, and we'll see how they work. But again, anytime you're working with this stuff, you better have your mask. I don't even know if you can hear me right or not, but anyways, make sure you read the instructions on these. I got a trowel that I'm going to use to set the concrete down, and then one block at a time I'm going to put them in. I'm going to use my beat up wheelbarrow to mix the concrete, and then we'll take it up, and then I'll switch the camera view so you see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, here you go. Oh. But we'll see. Works. I want to see how things go. I got a little hole in the middle. And I don't trust my wheelbarrow too, because it's all jacked up. Less than half. Got it all mixed up. This is the consistency that I'm going to work with. This comes right off the trowel. Now, as you can imagine, and like I said, it took more than what the bag had called for, but it's all good. Almost 2 quarts for half a bag. Cleaned around the blocks as much as possible. I got a lot of leaves falling around this time, as you can. Out. Here you go. Boom. I'm gonna take the next one out too. Here we go. And boom. Boom. And you go. All right, there we go. Now, this is high strength concrete, and now I'm trying to think, maybe I could have used something that has less rocks in it. You're gonna want to just move it front and back, lift it up a little bit, and throw it back in. Alright. And I already need to, after a few more, I'm gonna need to mix again anyways, so not to bore you with this stuff, I'm gonna shut off the camera after I do these 2 guys, and then check back in once I'm further down. But you got the idea. Alright, I think I'm better off using a mortar mix concrete like this right here. Alright, it's the 1102 instead of the 1101 that I used for about, I don't know, maybe 25, 30 blocks so far. Reason being is, even though I was told to use the high strength, from reading the instructions further, high strength is really for foundations as opposed to laying blocks, which is what we're doing. So I mixed up a bunch of 1102 with the remainder 1101, and we're gonna go ahead and see how that works. But so far, it's okay. All right. Here's the consistency of this stuff, right? Boom, just like that. I think it's good. Yeah. I'm gonna show you something. When you get the right consistency on this stuff, this job becomes a breeze. Check it out. I just showed you the right consistency, right? The mix, that flaky peanut butter like this, right? Boom. All right. We're doing 4s at a time. Look at this. Bam, bam. All right, clean up. Now this is the second day doing this, right? You can see how a little bit more fluid with it. I got a better understanding of what I need to do, and that's why I'm doing this video, so you don't have to do this. You could go right to doing it nice and smooth. Okay? You don't have to overkill it with this stuff. You really just need about 1 inch. Now, here's the key point why this consistency is what you want to get, because check this out. Look how easy it is for me then to put it in the spot. Spread it all out nice like that. Because here's the problem. If this was too runny, you won't be able to do this. If it's too light, you won't be able to do this either. Alright? And here's the magic piece. Check this out. Ready? Yo! Look at that. That's a nice bed. This stuff will sit right in. Look at that. Just a little bit right there. Now, for me, I don't have to overload too much here because I got this back here. Now, if you're working in a trench, that might be a little different for you. Right? Look, I don't like how this is up like that, right? You got to do something about it. So, let's do that. Boom, 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 boom. Out you go. And boom, just like that. All right, let's go. Ah. That's much better. Right? We're flowing, baby. Right? Now, check this out. Got them in the spot. Want to make sure they're all lined up. And today, yeah, I'm using the mallet today. That's all right. There's no right or wrong. I just like it now because I can move these rocks a little bit, or blocks a little bit better, I think. Again, if you don't have a mallet, no sweat. These things are heavy. Just lay them in nice. Look, I really too don't have to worry about this, but because my blacktop comes in, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyways. Boom. Just like that. Boom. Let's do another row. All right. Clean stuff out, baby. All right, here we go. Let's move this back. Boom. Now you want to work this out too. One, two, three. Boom. Oh man, you don't understand. I was struggling doing these guys there yesterday because I didn't have the right consistency. I was messing around a little bit. Now that this is figured out, look at this. So easy. All right, here we go. Ah, yeah. Look at that. Just like this. Yeah, get all your aggravation out on this. Sweet. That's it. I gotta do, tap in place. There you go. Easy peasy. Not bad. I don't worry about the imperfections like that, right? Because it's all going to be covered with the blacktop. In my case, you know, I'll have this much of it out, and I'm okay with that, all right? Use 2 fingers, all right? And you put some pressure on this. Form it like that. All right, ain't no shame in using 2 hands. That's okay. That's all right. All right. There you have it. Gonna do the rest of this stuff. Man, I'm fired up. This looks nice. And these, by the way, from yesterday, they ain't going nowhere. Once my blacktop comes in like this, bam, and I got a backfill right here. Backfill all that. This stuff ain't going anywhere. All right, check back with you guys in a little bit.